On here with another build. This is the refurbished Slim we just did. I put a 64 gigabyte USB and a 500 gigabyte hard drive, and we have this. This is what we built. This is a BADAVATAR. It's a soft mod. The disk drive works. This is the game list I went with. I went with a bunch of 360 and OG Xbox games, some arcade, Dino Crisis, Def Jam. Gauntlet's on there. All the GTAs are on there except for the original. This is GTA 4. This is Liberty City Stories. Anytime you see two of them, that means it's a 2-disc game. So I guess I could hide the second disc, but I'm kind of lazy. Same with Max Payne. This is OG Xbox. I did get my Minecraft working. Kind of a pain to get that game to work, but it works. Red Dead's a 2-disc. So this demo comes with the Keltor, so it's on there. It's kind of random. Scarface is on there. Serious Sam's on there. All the Silent Hills are on there. Skate 3. The 2 good Spider-Mans. I did put Knights of the Old Republic and Knights of the Old Republic 2 on there. Orange Box is working on here. Gotta have Simpsons Hit and Run, Simpsons arcade game, and the Simpsons game. This is actually the same game. I'll delete one of these. Gotta fix that last. And the Warriors. And then Turtles in Our Time. And Urban Chaos, I didn't have the artwork, so I just did what I could with it. Wet, X-Men and Wolverine. And there you go. So it's about 100 and, I'd say like 145-ish games. The cool thing, if you want to play OG Xbox, all you do is hit A. This is OG Xbox, so I installed the hacked emulator that supports more OG Xbox games. And it will take a second to load the OG Xbox game you'll be able to play. And you actually exit the same way. I haven't tested this game yet, so I hope it works. We're about to find out together. There you go. It does work. Cool. So yeah, you can play your OG Xbox games. The thing is, you don't have the home screen here. So you hit the key here, and instead of turning the console off, you just hit Y. So we're just going to go back to Xbox Home, hit yes. This will bring us back into the menu. Because this is BADAVATAR. Every time you boot it up, you have to go through the process to run a glitch to get the Aurora to work. And you can just boot back into Aurora this way. So I highly recommend doing that. And like I said, you want to play, let's do a game I haven't tried yet. Wet, just hit A on the Xbox 360 games, and they'll load right off the hard drive. It's pretty fast. There you go. And you're playing Wet. Super easy. So same thing too, when you're done playing, you just hit the Xbox home key here. And you just go to Aurora Home. Notice our temps as well. It doesn't get over 71 because we put all new thermal paste, clean the fans. If you watch my short, I've refurbed this box. It's in great shape. So I put a huge 500 gig hard drive, filled it up with games, and everything's, they have arcade games, OG Xbox games, good to go. So like, let's say you want to play, I'm trying to think of one, what haven't I tested yet? I think I tested that. I haven't tested Super Meat Boy. I usually test all my games to make sure they all work. Because just loading them on, they should work, but you always want to make sure. So yeah, you can play Super Meat Boy. Good to go. Same exact thing. When you're done playing, you just hit the home button here and go back. Super easy. So you hit Aurora Home, you can kind of see our temps. Just hit yes. Good to go. Yeah, it's a very simplistic build. You do have to have a USB. This has games off of it. You don't have to have a cord. I just have it just to save batteries on my controller. And you're good to go. And then when you're done playing, it's very simple. Go all the way over to the Xbox guide, turn off the console, and I'll walk you guys through on how to boot it up the first time. So it turns right off. And if you want to boot it up, you obviously just press the power button, or if you actually can press the controller, we'll get it to boot. How quiet it is. Look at those fans. There's not an ounce of dirt in that thing. And this disk drive works and it reads disk. So this is BADAVATAR. It's a non-persistent soft mod. Let's walk you through it. It's very simple. So it's going to boot up, and it's going to basically give it exploit payload. You'll see it pop up here, BADAVATAR. All you have to do here is just wait. This is where it gets kind of interesting. So it's going to be doing stuff. It's actually going to, you'll see like the light here moving around. It could take anywhere from like 10 seconds to sometimes like 2 minutes. And I tell people if it doesn't run in 2 minutes, just restart and try again. It's usually pretty good. It's like 95% success rate with me. But this is Gonna be outdated pretty soon. They're working on a faster mod, but look how fast that was. So you're gonna get a chain, and then once the chain goes, you're gonna get a blue screen, and you're gonna go to controller, and we're not gonna show the key. You're gonna go ahead and hit back. Not that it really matters, but it just shows your key to your system. So once you hit back, it's then gonna tell the system, "Hey, I want to boot into Aurora," and it takes like a few seconds for it to come up, and it will automatically boot back into Aurora. You only have to do this the first time you boot it up. It's very simple, and now we're playing games. It's that easy. It's on, in my opinion, it's a really good soft mod. It's not too crazy. All the games will always be here. It has all the artwork, and you're good to go. GTA's on this, you know, all the good Halos are on this. Let's play another game that I haven't played yet, Left 4 Dead, Lost Planets, Mafia 2. You want to play Mafia 2, just hit A. It's just that easy. This is our modified Xbox 360. It's been fully refurbished, brand new thermal paste, cleaned out completely. I have a video on it. It's in great shape. Let me know what you guys think of the build in the comments below.